Hi, my name is Mike. I'm one of the owners of Benito's, the home of real Mexican food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tacos with beef barbacoa. Okay, so take your tortillas that you've warmed, your beef barbacoa that you've also warmed through, your lettuce, Monterey Jack cheese, the pico de gallo you made earlier, the guac you made earlier, lime of course, and you've got your two salsas, salsa verde and salsa brava. So to make your tacos, if you have a rack, use a rack, otherwise you can put it in a bowl or on a plate. Then you take your lovely beef, a nice layer at the bottom of the taco, add your lettuce, then your jack cheese, then your pico de gallo, healthy dollops of guacamole, and then here I'm using the salsa verde, which is slightly milder. Good squeeze of lime. And then I'm serving with tortilla chips and a nice flourish of sour cream to finish. And there you have your beef barbacoa tacos.